back. Today we're going to be learning about volume. But before we can learn about volume, let's review about area, because area and volume work hand in hand. So area is length times width. Now, in volume, it's length times width times height. So not only am I looking at the two sides going across and back, I'm also adding in the side that is going straight up, the height of the object. So, let's look at number 3. We're going to write the formula each time. So V equals length times width times height, which equals 9 for your length times 2 for the width times 4 for the height. And you can multiply these in any order, because the associative rule of multiplication tells me these numbers can sit in any order in the formula and they will still be correct when I multiply them together. So I'm going to find basic facts, friendly numbers for my brain to use to do some mental math. And I see 4 times 2, that gives me 8 times 9. So volume equals, what is 8 times 9 or 9 times 8? What is it? You're right, it's 72. Now, in area, your answer has a squared in it. So, unit squared. But in volume, your unit is cubed. So 72 inches cubed, because you've multiplied by 3 sides. So a really fun trick to remember is in area, area has 2 sides. Volume has 3 sides being multiplied. Let's look at number 4. Area of the base is 24 square yards. The height is 9 yards. So my formula would be volume equals my area times 9, because they've already done length times width for me. But there's a few different numbers that could make 24, so I'm just going to say it is area times my remaining digit, my remaining value. So my area is 24, my height is 9, and now I can multiply. But I can't multiply this kind of a problem horizontally. I like to stack it up like pancakes so I can see my multiplication thinking easier and I can show my steps. So I'm going to come out to the side and I'm going to say 24 times 9. And when I multiply, I always start in the ones. So 4 times 9 is, yeah, it's 36. Way to go. So I put the 6, bring the 3 up. 9 times 2, I'm going to multiply first. So 9 times 2. Yeah, it's 18. Then add 18 plus 3. You're so right. It's 21. So my volume equals 216 yards cubed. And again, I put the 3 as my exponent, as my symbol for volume, because I multiplied 3 lengths together. I've multiplied 3 lengths together. Let's look at number 9, sorry. Let's look at number 9. Volume equals length times width times height. So it equals 7 times 7 times 7. Well, what is 7 times 7? Now, if you watched the Super Bowl last night, it's going to tell you your answer. One of the teams is the answer to the problem. 7 times 7 is 49. The San Francisco 49ers played the Chiefs. So 49 times 7. I'm going to come over here to my work area. I'm going to set up a multiplication problem. When I multiply, I start in the 1s. You are so smart. What is 9 times 7? Nine times 7. You're right. It's 63. So I put the 3, carry the 6. Seven times 4. And then 28 plus 6. 28 plus 6. You're right. It's 34. So my volume equals 343 meters. How many sides got multiplied together? So meters cubed. And what I like to do is I like to box in my answer after I have brought everything down to show that I am done. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you again really soon.